This is lucky number 13 on our 2014 Truck by Truck West tour. This is Cheke's Takos, and these guys pretty much make everything in-house, so let's check it out.
Hello.
Hi there, how you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm great, man.
Awesome.
You guys are 13 on our Truck by Truck tour.
All right,
Truck by
thank
Truck
you.
West. It's great. Let's. I got a badge.
Awesome.
So, what kind of samples do you guys have for today?
We have 3 samples today. We have the barbacoa, the lamb barbacoa. It's a taco with some lamb, cilantro, and onions on top.
Oh wow.
And we also have a lamb soup on the side for y'all to try.
Ooh.
The second option is going to be the pambazo. The pambazo, it's bread marinated with some sauce. In the inside, we're going to have potatoes, chorizo, lettuce, sour cream, and some sprinkled queso fresco on top.
Wow.
The third option is going to be the tlacoyo, which is kind of like a gordita. It's filled with Oaxaca cheese. And then on top, it's some cactus, some radish, and some sprinkled queso fresco on top.
Okay, so that's your vegetarian option.
Yes, that's a vegetarian option.
Perfect. Good to have one of those.
Yeah, that's right. This one's a pambazo.
Bambazo?
This one here is a tlacoyo.
La pollo.
Tlacoyo.
Tlacoya.
Yeah, that's right.
Tlacoya bambazo.
Yep.
Tlacoya bambazo.
Yep, that's
okay,
right.
I got it. Thank you. Tlacoya bambazo. There we go. Usually chorizo is really, really oily and just like all over your plate, and that's not good. Nobody wants that. But this actually looks really, really good. All right, here we go. We're gonna start with the chorizo. Mmm. 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 That's actually kind of spicy. That's really, really good. Oh my goodness, that's good. I can't tell if that spice is in the meat or in the bun, but it is delicious. Really, really good. You're gonna love that. A little pepper. There's definitely some spice in that pepper. You know how I like my spices. Holy cow, my mouth is on fire. All right, it's time to try tlacoyos. Tlacoyos? Tlacoyos. All right, let's do this. There's 3 sauces. I'm gonna try all 3. A little bit of this. Ooh, 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 let's do it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The tortilla is so good, and I can taste the cactus on there. Holy cow, that's good. That is super fresh and delicious. It's really, really good. I like the sauce. Oh, it's delicious. Sauce number 2. That one's really good. Oh, wow, that's good. I really like this. Next sauce is green. Get a little of that guy on there. All right, here we go. The green one is my favorite. That's the sauce. That's it right there, peoples. Oh, wow. Wow. That is muy delicioso. But if I'm gonna make all these trailers, I gotta move muy rapido.